Hello friends and welcome to RCM 360. It's all about medical billing and Excel things. Today we are looking at some useful Excel shortcuts that everyone who works on Excel should know. So let's get started. If you want to add and remove filter from your data, you can use Ctrl Shift L. Let's see with an example. So click anywhere inside your data set and use Ctrl Shift L. It will add a filter to your data, and you can use filter as per your requirement. You can use filter for sort to smallest to largest. Now you can use filter as per your requirement. And if you want to remove the filter, you can use the same shortcut, Ctrl Shift L. It will remove the filter from your data set. And if you want to create a table of your data set, you just need to use Ctrl T. Let's see with an example. Just click anywhere inside your data set and use Ctrl T and OK. It will create a table of your data that you can use for multiple purposes. You can summarize pivot table, you can remove duplicates, and there are so many other advantages of this table. You can use various tables styles as per your requirement from here. And if you want to remove this table from your data, you just need to go up here and convert it to the range, and it will bring it back to the normal data. If you want to move from top to down, left to right without a scrolling bar, so you can use these shortcuts. Let's see with an example. Now if you want to move from top to bottom, you can use Ctrl down arrow, and if you want to go back to the top, you can use Ctrl up arrow. And if you want to go to the right hand, you can use Ctrl right. So this is much faster than using the scroll bar. And if you want to add automatic sum function to your data set, you can use Alt equal signs. Let's see with an example. So if you want to add sum function here, so you can just need to use Alt equal sign, and it will add a sum function to your data set and will also sum your data. So it's a much faster than using or typing sum function manually. It will save a lot of effort. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of the latest video updates. Thank you and bye-bye for now.